Hey again, we're gonna make a fun recipe for the hot weather that's coming up. So today we're gonna work on some pineapple and ice cream. So it's really easy. We just have our frozen pineapple and our frozen mango, some fresh lime juice, and we throw it all in a food processor and it comes out with this really great texture. The mango just makes it nice and creamy. This is a great way to get yourself to eat more fruit or your kids to eat more fruit, and especially as the weather is warming up, we want to cool down with a nice treat, and this is a perfect one. So we'll just go ahead and jump right in. The recipe, I do it a little different than the recipe. I found that I like to do 2 bags of frozen pineapple chunks and 1 bag of mango chunks. And then I still add about a tablespoon of juice. Really it's about the juice of half a lime. And then as we get going, I'll add in some water just to kind of make it it smooths it out a little bit. Since this processor is smaller than my old one, I'm going to have to do this in stages just to make sure that I can fit everything in. So we'll go ahead and start smoothing out this first bit. I'll go ahead and add in the lime juice just to give a little bit more moisture. And again, that's the juice of half of a lime. If that will help. That's probably somewhere around 1/4 cup, so it should help. I'm going to give this a bit of a scrape. Another 1/4 cup of water. Once we get this smoother, we'll add in the rest of the mango. Started to get nice and creamy, so I think we can go ahead and add in the rest. It's going to be pretty full, that's for sure. Put the lid back on and let it work its magic. Alright, first off, let's start with a confession. That was way too much to put in my food processor, if you can't tell. So, if you have a food processor that's similarly sized to mine, which I guess holds somewhere around 8 cups, I would recommend you go with half a bag of mango and 1 bag of pineapple. And probably somewhere around maybe 1/4 of a lime juice or something. Anyway, which may be closer to 1 tablespoon. This is probably a bit much, obviously pretty ambitious. You can still see some chunks in there. The texture of this is really great if you don't overstuff your food processor. So definitely give this one a try. It's really tasty, it's very refreshing, and I hope you guys enjoy it.